Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how I made the special Ewa Agoyin sauce. It's super easy to make, like most of the videos you'd find on this channel. If you're new here, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Let's get started. So I'm gonna start this by boiling the beans. Here I have some honey beans, which is typically what is used to pair with the sauce. I've added a little bit of salt and water, and I'm gonna boil this for about 30 to 40 minutes until it's soft. While the beans is boiling, I'm gonna go ahead and make the sauce. Here I have some shombo or dried chili. I've added hot water and I'm gonna let this soak for about 30 minutes to 1 hour. While that's soaking, I'm going to prep and wash the tatashe or bell peppers and onions. After that's done, I'll add everything to a food processor. If you don't have dried chili, you can substitute with chili flakes. And you don't need to soak the chili flakes, you can just add it with the other ingredients and blend. Also, dried tatashe or bell pepper is traditionally used for this recipe, but if you don't have that, you can just substitute with the fresh one like I did. I've used both and the result is usually the same. And I forgot to add, if you're using the dried one, you want to soak with the dried chili for the same time before blending. After blending, heat up some palm oil in a wide pan. For the Agoyin sauce, you need a lot of palm oil so the sauce can fry properly. You can always scoop out the excess oil when it's ready. After the palm oil heats up, I'll go ahead and add some chopped onions, and I'm going to fry this for about 2 to 3 minutes. Next, I'll add the pepper mixture and give this a good mix. I'm going to season this with salt, 1 Maggi crayfish cube. If you don't have this, you can substitute for the chicken. And I'm also going to add 1 chicken cube. I'll give this a mix and I'll continue frying the sauce for about 10 minutes on low-medium heat. Pay very close attention to the sauce by checking on it from time to time and stirring to make sure it doesn't burn. After about 10 minutes, the sauce is going to darken in color like this. Keep frying and keep stirring it so it doesn't burn. And at this stage, I'm going to add the crayfish. I'll mix the crayfish in and I'll continue frying the sauce for an additional 8 to 10 minutes on low heat until it becomes even darker. When the sauce looks like this, you know it's ready. I'm going to turn off the heat and check on the beans. At this time, the beans is also ready. The honey beans doesn't take as much time to cook as the other types. If you don't have honey beans, you can always use the regular brown beans or the black-eyed peas as a substitute. And you want to cook the beans with a lot of water so it has a porridgey consistency like this. And if you like it more mushy, you can always mash with a potato masher or wooden spoon. Serve the ewa or beans and top it up with a generous amount of that gorgeous Agoyin sauce. And I'm gonna pair this with fresh hot bread from the oven. If you want to know how I made the bread, I'll include the video at the end. You can enjoy this with bread or fried ripe plantains. Drop a comment to let me know which one you prefer. I hope you found this video helpful. As always, if you have any questions about this recipe, leave me a comment or send me a DM on Instagram and I'll be more than happy to help you. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.